Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a highly requested video, which was a car deep cleaning. So first I just took the boys to the car wash to wash the outside. I am 23 weeks pregnant, so I didn't really feel like washing the outside all on my own. So I hope that you enjoy this video and it gives you some inspiration to clean and organize your car. So now that my car is all nice and clean, I'm just setting up a basket to put things in that need to go inside. I'm also setting up a little trash can as well as a little recycling bin. And I'm just going through every part of the car and getting rid of the things that don't belong there. Having two toddlers, I usually find interesting stuff when I clean out my car, and that was Tanner's toothbrush that I was looking for.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I baby, why do I baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now that everything is cleared out of the car, I'm just going ahead and using these car wipes and wiping down everything in my car, and Carter was having a really great time helping me as well. I get a lot of questions about how I get things done with two toddlers, and I usually let them help me if they're awake, and that's really it. They love helping out, and Carter had a great time helping me with my car, and now he's cleaning his car. If you don't let your kids eat in the car, good for you, but I am one of those moms that sometimes my kids just need to eat in the car. which means it needs an extra good scrubbing. And what is it with toddlers kicking the back of your seat? It is the worst. So since there are some oil marks left on the car from the wipes, I'm just going ahead and using this little handy dandy mitt that I got from Dollar Tree and just some warm water to wipe it down. I'm sure I probably should have done this the other way. I probably should have wiped it down first with this and then used the wipes, but it still turned out looking really great and I'm happy with it. Now I'm using the same mitt to get rid of these disgusting crumbs and spots in the back seat. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I share real life, and this is real life, guys. My car gets dirty, and then I make cute cleaning videos for you. Now I'm just going around and taking out all of the car mats. And as you can see here, everything needs a really good vacuum. And at first I'm just going to be using my Dyson V7 vacuum. It has multiple attachments to it, and I'll have that linked below. You can get it on Amazon. I believe it's under $300, and this is the same vacuum I use in my home. Eventually, I go ahead and change vacuums to my shop vac for anything that the Dyson couldn't get. And of course, I'm trying to make those vacuum lines because you know I am obsessed with vacuum lines. After vacuuming out this car seat, I really questioned whether or not Tanner ever actually eats anything that I give him in the car, because it seems like every meal he's ever had was stuck in or under this car seat. So after all that, I had my husband take the car seats out, and then I vacuumed the seats as well.
Hi, Bob.
Hi.
You want it? You want it?
Now that I'm done vacuuming, I'm just using a lint roller to get up any little pieces of fuzz that the vacuum did not grab. I ordered this little trunk organizer from Amazon. I'll have that linked below, but I'm just going to put like some of their toys in here for the park and things like that. I also got this Tupperware from the Dollar Tree, and I just have backup diapers, extra outfits, as well as a few Band-Aids. I also grabbed this Febreze First Bloom air freshener from Target, and it smells amazing. I hope that you all really enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to clean and organize your car. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, as well as give me some video requests below. I'm taking May video requests, and I would love to see what you guys want to see.